Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Lesson 10. Describing words. Let's learn English. This is Martin. Martin is a boy. Martin is chubby. Martin is funny. Martin is kind. Martin is short. This is Matthew. Matthew is a boy. Matthew is slim. Matthew is friendly. Matthew is helpful. Matthew is dull. This is Betti. Betti is a girl. Betti is hungry. Betti is happy. Betti is playful. This is Bert. Bert is a cute dog. Bert is chubby. Bert is active. Bert is sweet. Practice your English. Say it. Repeat it. Those buildings are new.
Those buildings are new.
The trees are green.
The trees are green.
The park is clean.
The park is clean.
The pets are healthy.
The pets are healthy.
The people are fit.
The people are fit.
Dad is asleep.
Dad is asleep.
Mom is awake.
Mom is awake.
The breakfast smells good.
The breakfast smells good.
We're ready for school.
We are ready for school.
The students are busy.
The students are busy.
The school is big.
The school is big.
The teachers are friendly.
The teachers are friendly.
The school of food is delicious.
The school food is delicious.
Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Encircle the correct describing word or adjective in each sentence.
Number 1. Matthew told us a happy, tall story during break time.
Number 2. The children in the room are noisy, spacious.
Number 3. Claire bought a playful new watch.
Number 4. The happy, tall tree was cut down yesterday.
Number 5. We ate plenty slim of fruits last week.
Number 6. Jasmine brought her plenty beautiful little sister earlier.
Number 7. Mount Kilauea is an active, happy volcano in Hawaii.
Number 8. That was a chubby, beautiful night.
Number 9. Aira has a colorful, fast bag for school. Number 10. The movie we watched was old, tall.
Here are the answers.
Number 1. Matthew told us a happy story during break time.
Number 2. The children in the room are noisy.
Number 3. Claire bought a new watch.
Number 4. The tall tree was cut down yesterday.
Number 5. We ate plenty of fruits last week.
Number 6. Jasmine brought her beautiful little sister earlier.
Number 7. Mount Kilauea is an active volcano in Hawaii.
Number 8. That was a beautiful night.
Number 9. Aira has a colorful bag for school. Number 10. The movie we watched was old.
Quiz number 2.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Complete each sentence with a descriptive adjective from the word bag.
Active. Funny. Clean.
Kind. Old. Happy.
Tall. Chubby. Fast.
Playful. Beautiful. Spacious.
New. Small. Sweet.
Number 1. There are a lot of toys in the attic.
Number 2. Betti felt when playing with her friends.
Number 3. The girl, Betti, looks beautiful today.
Number 4. The tree looks very from here.
Number 5. Matthew showed a face to my little sister to make her laugh.
Number 6. The flowers you gave were.
Number 7. My dog on my bed is very when running.
Number 8. The park is.
Active. Funny. Clean.
kind, old, happy,
tall, chubby, fast,
playful, beautiful, spacious.
new, small, sweet.
Number 9. The children are very. During exercise.
Number 10. Martin is a boy.
Number 11. I have so many cats.
Number 12. I saw a park near the hospital.
Number 13. The orange ball I bought is.
Number 14. My friend loves to play hide and seek.
Number 15. I have a older sister.
Here are the answers.
Number 1. There are a lot of old toys in the attic.
Number 2. Betty felt happy when playing with her friends.
Number 3. The sweet girl, Betti, looks beautiful today.
Number 4. The tree looks very tall from here.
Number 5. Matthew showed a funny face to my little sister to make her laugh.
Number 6. The flowers you gave were beautiful.
Number 7. My dog on my bed is very fast when running.
Number 8. The park is clean.
Number 9. The children are very active during exercise.
Number 10. Martin is a chubby boy.
Number 11. I have so many small cats.
Number 12. I saw a spacious park near the hospital.
Number 13. The orange ball I bought is new.
Number 14. My playful friend loves to play hide and seek.
Number 15. I have a kind older sister.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.